Machine learning, ML, is a type of artificial intelligence, AI, that uses statistical algorithms and data to enable computer systems to learn and improve from experience. ML systems are designed to automatically recognize patterns in data, identify relationships, and make predictions or decisions based on the information they have learned. ML is used in a wide range of applications, such as image and speech recognition, natural language processing, recommendation systems, fraud detection, and predictive analytics. In order to build ML models, large amounts of data are collected, cleaned, and pre-processed. This data is then used to train the ML model using supervised or unsupervised learning algorithms. Supervised learning involves providing the ML model with labeled data, where the input and output variables are known. The model learns from this data to make predictions about new input data. Unsupervised learning involves providing the model with unlabeled data and allowing it to identify patterns and relationships on its own. There are several types of ML algorithms, including regression algorithms, clustering algorithms, decision tree algorithms, and neural networks. Each algorithm is designed to solve a specific type of problem and has its own strengths and weaknesses. Overall, ML is a powerful technology that has the potential to transform many industries and fields. However, it also comes with risks and challenges, such as the potential for bias and the need for large amounts of high-quality data. As such, it is important to use ML responsibly and with caution. Machine learning, ML, is a type of artificial